Hello guys, welcome to Digital Degs. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to get dynamic island on your Android device. The dynamic island is a way an iPhone 14 shows notification given the resolution that the notch on the iPhone expands to show notification. And this is pretty much easy and free, absolutely free. At the end of this video, if you find it helpful, ensure you like it and share it with your friends who might find it helpful as well. Please ensure you subscribe to my channel. It's the best way to support me. Without too much further ado, let's get started with the main point of this video. Okay, to do this on your Android device, this is what you do. You open Play Store. After opening Play Store, you search for dynamic island. You tap and search for dynamic island, and the first result will come with this D right here. If it doesn't show as the first result, because obviously I have it installed already, in your case it might not be the first result, so you have to scroll down to see it. This dynamic island right here, hyphen dynamicSpot with the D and blue background. So you install it. After installing it, you tap on open to open it. So we're going to set it up right now. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, ensure you do. So after that, you tap on next. Then it's going to to set the app. Please follow instruction below. So the first one is we are going to select the apps that are going to use this dynamic island feature. So in my case, I want all applications to use. In your case, if you don't, you can toggle off. You can select individually and you tap on back to go back. Then notification access, we are going to allow or select the app to have access to our notification. So you scroll down and tap on dynamicSpot and then allow. Yes, allow. Then draw on screen, we're going to give it this permission as well, so that the app will have access or the permission to draw on any screen. So you now downloaded apps dynamicSpot, so you tap on it and then use dynamic, allow. So after that, you tap on done and we're going to set it up, like the positioning and everything. Ensure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't. So we're going to tap on done right now, then the setup. So after hitting on done, you get this screen right here with notifications, apps and settings, the behavior, appearance, position, then rating if you want to. So you can tap on this play button right here to see how allow to see how it will show on your device. You tap on this play button and as you can see, you see the position where it is at, and which is something I don't like actually. So I'm going to clear my notifications right here. We go back, then behavior. I want to customize the behavior. If you want to allow it show 2 pops-up at a time, which is something I don't like, or showing landscape, it makes it look very fake, even though this is obviously not an iPhone 14. So you scroll down, yes, hide in foreground, leave everything as is. Then when touching outside, I don't want to customize this. Then the appearance, animations and icons, if you want it to show border or show as notch right here, show the pop-up as a notch attached to the frame instead of a floating pill. So this is a floating pill. As you can see, there is a free space between the dynamic island and our notch. So if I'm to toggle it like this, it's going to be connected to the head or to the top of my screen, which is something I don't like. This is where you customize the appearance of it. This is where all the tweaks are, all the important tweaks at least. So if you want it, you tap on display to show. And right here, if you're using a notch or maybe you have a water drop notch, you can just toggle this on so that it shows as notch. As you can see, it's connected. And if you want it to be like fatter, you can scroll or you can go back to right here, position right here, and then change the size. As you can see, as I increase it, this is the position. You can position it to where your notch is or to where your camera hole is if you have in-screen camera hole, and also the position, vertical position. If it's not attached to the notch, you can like shift it. And this is the size, horizontal size, if you want it to be fat. As you can see, wow, it's actually very fat. And the size vertically. So this is pretty much it on this application. You can explore the other settings regarding this. Ensure you subscribe to my channel and also give me a thumbs up, and share it with your friends who might find this helpful. I love you guys so much. Do have a nice day.